Hey guys, it's Jaleesa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have something a little bit different, a little bit special. I have been using this device for a really long time, so I figured this would be a really great time to kind of talk about it since I've been living with it and working with it. So what I'm talking about is the NuFACE. I have the Trinity Pro, which is the larger one. You can take off this head here, and it has interchangeable, attachments. And then I also have, this one is the NuFACE, but I think this one is just called the Mini. And this is the one that I have been using the longest. So what I've actually been using the Mini for is for contouring. And I don't use it that often. I would say maybe to be quite honest, maybe like once a year, maybe twice a year if I remember to use it. But it really does help to lift and give you that contour, chiseled jawline. And you can also use it here under the cheekbone to really make your cheekbones pop. So basically how the device works is that it works with microcurrent. So going off of what the box says, it says that basically what the microcurrent does is it mimics the natural current and goes beyond skin deep to tone your facial muscles while improving the contour, skin tone, and reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. So it's an anti-aging device. It says that it's FDA cleared, and it basically just helps to rejuvenate and improve your overall appearance, which includes tightening, skin tone, and skin texture. So inside the box, you're going to get the NuFACE Trinity. You're also going to get the facial trainer attachment. You're going to get the charging cradle. There's a cord to attach to your charger. And then you also have the hydrating leave-on gel, which you're going to need to use to help your NuFACE glide and smooth all over your face. So to use this device, what you need to do is have cleansed skin. So I'm just going to wipe off whatever kind of excess oils I have on my face. And then what they recommend is that you use their gel primer. So this is a hydrating leave-on formula, and the gel primer basically helps it to glide all over your skin. And I actually think it really helps with the microcurrents, because if you don't put the gel on, it kind of feels like a zapping kind of feeling. So you really want to put that gel on so it's not as like intense. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth on that gel. So once I have the gel on, we can start with the device. So today I'm going to use the NuFACE Trinity Pro. This one is a lot larger than the Mini, and the only difference really is that the head doesn't detach from the Mini, and the Mini's handle is smaller, but the actual attachment part, like the balls here, are the same size. So it's pretty much almost the same device, except the Mini is smaller and you can't interchange the head. I'm sure there are other major differences, but those are the two things that I've seen so far. So I'm going to actually turn it on. And in terms of intensity, let's start a little bit low. So as you can see, you can change the intensity, turn it up or down depending on how much contouring or microcurrent that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and start on low, and I like to start just here in the jaw area. And I really don't feel anything, maybe a slight tingling. And you can hear it beep telling me to move it to a different section. But you can also repeat sections too. So it's not like the PMD machine that I had where you can't go over the same spot twice. You could definitely repeat sections. So I'm just gliding through. I might turn it up 1 actually and use it on the other side of my face just to see if there's a major difference. Oh, I kind of felt it right there, just like a little shock. It's not painful or anything, but you do feel a slight, ooh, right there. And I like to just go along the jawline. It's really what I bought it for. and it's getting a little warm. Like it, ooh, right there. Oh, yeah, that's a little tingly there. Let's turn it down around the nose area. And then I also want to do my forehead, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of gel. Just right here where I have, sometimes I have some like frown lines, just to relax that a little bit. Okay, and that's pretty much, that's it. So it really doesn't take that much time to use the device. I'm just going to wipe off that extra gel. It's a leave-on, so it's not like I need to wash my face or anything like that. Now, from my experience and using this microcurrent device, I will say I've definitely noticed a difference in the contours of my face. So after I use it, basically what the microcurrents do is that I don't want to say it massages the muscles, but it creates this kind of tightening in the muscles that you can't see. So that way the skin kind of tightens a little bit more and it pulls a little bit more closer to the muscles, and the skin just looks a lot tighter. So I've noticed a big difference in the contouring, like a noticeable difference in the contouring. I wouldn't say that I've noticed anything in the tone or the texture of my skin. And to be honest, before I read that on the box, I did not know that that device does that. No big differences there, but definitely a big difference in the contouring and I guess sculpting of my jawline. Yeah, I didn't have too much to say about the device. I really just wanted to use it, talk about it some, and I don't want to say spread awareness, but you know, the option is out there. It's definitely a less invasive procedure than surgery, of course, and definitely a lot cheaper than surgery, but you're not going to get like surgical results. Let's be real, okay? You're going to get a little bit of tightening, you're going to get some firmness, but you're not going to get an actual literal facelift from this device. So yeah, that's basically it. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried the NuFACE or if you guys want to try NuFACE and basically what your skin concerns are. I'm looking forward to your comments and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!